Hi guys, welcome back to EsmeraleesCreation. I hope you all doing good. Let us know in the comment down below. We are happy you are here with us one more time, and we are still behind. This is September 2022 Bargain Bead Box unboxing, and the theme is
So the September theme is Misty Rose, and the description reads as follows. Inspired by the early autumn sunrise, this month's palette is composed of soft pinks with hints of mauve and red. Our centerpiece is a rose quartz go-go pendant with coordinating rose quartz beads in multiple sizes, tawny pink rondite, and colorful assembled shell rounds add to the variety of pink tones, along with sparkling crystal, glass, and porcelain accents. Antique copper findings in classic floral round motifs complete the collection.
and number one is.
So number one today is a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter rose quartz round beads.
And this is beautiful. It is like a 16 inches. Like if you wanted to make just one simple necklace, they are a little bit translucent. You can see through it, and they're very pretty. And number two is.
Number two is an approximate 1 meter of 4 by 2.7 millimeter steel jewelry chain.
And this is copper, and the chain is like a medium size chain, and like always, it's a good amount. You can take maybe two or three necklaces, depend of the size and the design that you're making. And number three is.
Number three is an approximate 7.5-inch strand of 8.5 by 5 millimeter glass rondelle beads, icy pink in color.
It's very pale in color, very, very pale. And the shape is so pretty. It looks like a disc. It is very nice. And it's a good amount for like a bracelet. And number four is.
Number four, a 7.5-inch strand of 10 millimeter assembled shell and turquoise resin beads.
Beautiful. I love this combination of color. And the colors are like different. This one have a little bit of green on it. It had like a sparkle. It's shiny. And the pink is beautiful. I love the crackles and the design that I have in it. It is beautiful. A simple bracelet. Look how pretty it is. It is stunning. Number five is.
Number five, 10 11.5 millimeter pressed glass flower cap beads, milky pink in color.
It is so pretty. It is transparent, and it's like a flower thing. You can use it for earrings, or you can use them as if you put like a little bead over here, it's like a flower. You can make like a flower if you put it like a green one. They're very nice. And number six is.
Number six is 11.5 millimeter go-go charms.
How pretty. They are very well cut out like always, and they're pretty. Like if you're gonna do, you can make a bracelet or a link necklace, very simple one with the chain with it. It's very nice, very pretty. Or you can elaborate a very, very, very elaborate one necklace with it. Number seven.
Number seven is two 26 by 21 millimeter floral round chandelier links.
Very pretty. You can make a necklace or earrings. They're pretty. Look at that cutout. The design on it is beautiful. Very beautiful. It is so pretty. And the copper color is so nice.
So those are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
Oh, nice. And number 8 is?
Number 8 is a 48 millimeter floral cutout round medallion pendant.
Look at that medallion. It is so pretty. You can hand it for everywhere, for the front or from the back, because it's flat. It doesn't it have the cutout, but it doesn't have design on the metal itself. And it's so pretty. It doesn't have any edges that scratch you or, or poke you. It is stunning. Beautiful. Number 9.
24 9 millimeter scallop bead caps.
Look at how nice. They are not that deep. Some bead caps can be like very, very deep, but these ones are like very hollow. And they're very well cut out and very nice. The design is beautiful and shiny. Very nice. Number 10.
Number 10. 10 11 by 10 millimeter ornate round coin spacer beads.
They're beautiful, but they're heavy. They're very, very heavy. They have weight to it. The design is beautiful. Look at that details. Those details are beautiful.
So this one, along with number 9, 8, and 7, and 6, are made of antique copper finished pewter alloy. And they're all lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
And number 11 is?
Number 11, an approximate 8-inch strand of 6 millimeter tawny pink rhodonite round beads.
Look at how nice. They have some cream colors, pink. They have different colors, different shade of pink, and they're very pretty. Like I said, all these items, all these beads, you can just put them together with elastic and make beautiful, 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 simple bracelet. Or you can just make more complex design. And number 12 is?
Number 12 is a 14-inch strand of 3 millimeter round glass beads, matte metallic peacock red.
Wow. Look at these. These are different. They are like, you see them one color and then it turn into like a purple bead, and they're so pretty. And this can be like a simple, very simple necklace, like a 16-inch, 14-inch, like a choker almost. And it's very pretty, very stunning. And number 13.
Number 13 is an approximate 40 millimeter rose quartz go-go pendant.
Look at this. It is flat on one side and it's like round on the other. And it's so beautiful. I would put it with this one too. And then you make like a simple necklace. And or you can just put this over here like this. And add these to a necklace. Or add different beads and then make a necklace. It's beautiful. Look at this. I love it. Very nice. And number 14.
Number 14, a 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter frosted rose quartz round beads.
And they are pale color too, very pale, almost like white color, like transparent, not a white like this, but like transparent. It is very pretty. And it had different shade of pink, different ones. Like some of them are darker, some of them are lighter. Very nice. Number 15.
Number 15. 6 12.5 millimeter pearl pink porcelain round beads.
Look at this. These are very shiny. Very, very shiny. They look like glass. And they are very, very nice. The color, they're very consistent on the color. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Number 16.
Number 16 is a 13.5-inch strand of 3.5 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, pink jade, copper in color.
Wow, look at this. Beautiful. They have like sparkle on it. Like it's almost like rose gold and pink. It is so beautiful. Look at these. You can put these ones and this one together too. Or put this one over here like I did on this one. They look stunning. And number 17 is?
Number 17 is 5 sets of 24 by 11 millimeter hook and eye clasps.
Wow. And this is the first time we get these ones on the box. And they are beautiful, amazing. Look at these. The details on the design of the metals are beautiful. Look at that. This is flat in the back. And this is stunning. These you can just put it like this. I'm sorry. Put it like this. And this is your clasp. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I cannot wait to create with it.
So that is also made of antique copper finished pewter alloy, and it's lead and nickel free.
And number 18 is?
Sorry, not nickel free, cadmium free and lead free.
And number 18 is?
Number 18 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter faceted rose quartz round beads.
They're very pretty. They're like this one, but this is made. It doesn't have a shiny to it, but this one does. But they are pretty much the same in color. It is very nice. And the amount is good. And number 19.
Number 19, 100 4 millimeter steel spacer beads, antique copper finish, nickel free.
And they are very nice. Look at this. The little hole that I have in the center is very, very small. It's not like a big hole. It's small, but they're pretty. They're flat. They don't have any design on it. They are very, very nice. Very pretty. You can make a simple necklace or a simple bracelet like that. You know, like the beads doesn't have any design into it. It's very nice. Very pretty. And it's a very good amount. And
this was everything that came in the September 2022 Bargain Bead Box. We sure hope you liked them. Feel free to leave a comment down below letting us know which items you liked and which ones you didn't. And stick around because coming up after the announcement, we will be showing some of the jewelry we made using these same items. This is our 1-year anniversary on YouTube, And we want to thank you, our 326 subscribers, for being a part of the Esmeralees Creations family. It really means the world to us. So thank you again for your support. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel. It's free. Click that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.